Hey guys, welcome to Lognews. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the Messenger Switch account problem, and let's start right now. To solve or fix the Facebook Messenger Switch account problem on your Messenger, there are currently mainly 2 or 3 ways you can do that. That is by going to the settings of your phone before you log out or you switch your account from over here. You need to do, or if you're not able to switch your account, is first you'll need to open up the settings on your phone like this. After opening your settings, go to the app section of your phone. Scroll down a little bit, the apps will be available like this. You can see the apps on my phone. Tap on the apps, and after that search for Messenger, and there is the Messenger, guys. Tap on that Messenger, and you can see the storage option available over here just below the battery for the Messenger. Tap on that storage, and you can see there is the guys clear cache option available over here. Tap on clear cache, but before you clear cache, make sure to close the Messenger app on your phone, on your task manager by any means. And after closing up your Messenger, clear the cache and open up your Messenger and try switching your account again. If nothing is happening, you might want to clear the data on the Messenger if you're not able to switch your account still. Because, and there is a precaution, guys, before you clear your data. Clearing your data will wipe out everything from your Messenger app which is available on your phone, and by doing that your Messenger will be renewed from the first, and you will have to log in to all of your accounts from the first. And the third way is you have to reinstall your Messenger. Basically that's clearing your data as same as there, but if your Messenger has not been updated and it has been showing these kinds of mysterious activities, then you might want to update your Messenger from the Play Store and check for the Messenger. And if there is the update button available over here instead of the open, you might want to update your Messenger. That might cause the lagging problem. And so guys, this is how you fix your Messenger Switch account problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.